I created a reel using Premiere Pro and After Effects. So here's the output.
Alex Hormozi isn't just an entrepreneur. He's built on discipline, grit, and zero excuses. From broke at 23 to $100 million offers by 30, he doesn't sell dreams, he sells execution. Just real growth, brick by brick.
So here's the video. I want to break down the sound designing here. Let me just turn off the voiceover and then let me play the video again. Here's the breakdown of sound designing. As you guys can see, there are multiple tracks of audio. So in the beginning I've got a whoosh sound effect, and then one more whoosh. Here it's a scribble effect, again whoosh, whoosh, and some banging sound along with the money counter. Again I've used a scribble effect over here. Once again whoosh, it's called as turning wheel. These are some viral sound effects which you can use for your next project. At the moment these sound effects are very viral and popular among the short form content. So I'm giving away all these sound effects for free. The link is in the description, you guys can check it out. Thanks for watching this video. Hit that like button and subscribe.